What's up, my human made family, my YouTube family? What is up? How y'all doing? I hope you all enjoyed the video that I had posted this past Wednesday dealing with the Sneaker Fleet mystery box. I struck out as always on everything that I'm trying to win something in. I'll never win shit, it's just weird. But anyway, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me on my Instagram at mattxi.exe. I have a link down below if y'all want to join. DM me, hit me up, I'll talk to you. Also, be sure to follow the Discord server. It's called the Storm Cowboys. I have a link down below for that as well. Please be sure to join that because that's where I'm dropping everything, like from sales, drop lists, anything dealing with streetwear sneakers. I'm dropping information in there. So if y'all want to drop some information in it and like in the Discord channel, feel free to do it. I'm not gonna be sending out all these drop lists to everybody, so I'm just posting my IG story and I'll let y'all know the drop list up on Discord. So feel free to join. Link down below. So today's video, we got some special stuff. I got a little razzle dazzle within this video that I'm gonna show you all. I got some stuff from my favorite YouTuber. I got some giveaway news. I got some more human made stuff. I got some stuff from Chinatown Market. It's gonna be a dope video. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. Let's get it. All right, so the first package that I'm unbox would be from my favorite YouTuber, Jacob Starr. I've been following this guy for a very long time. I've been watching him from like since he started to now, seeing the growth, seeing some of the dope shit he been doing with his channel, and I just felt like also he had looked out for me a while back. I had my clothing brand Flagship 11. Really cool dude. I had hit him up on Facebook. I was like, yo, can you just try out my clothes and do like a lookbook with my clothes? He's like, hell yeah, I got you. I sent it to him. He did the lookbook. Like the next week he posted a video. He looked out and I made hella orders out that video. So thank you, Jacob Starr. Dope dude. Yeah, so let's get right to the first unboxing. It's from his merch. So I had to cop the shirt because he's always wearing this shirt in his videos. And I'm like, yo, he got him up for his subscribers to buy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cop. So this is the item that I got from him. And I got mine in a size large as well. So, damn, they got a big ass polymer bag. Alright. Okay. Woo! Alright. So the tee that I got from Jacob Starr for his merch would be, yeah, it says the Star Life. Since his name is Jacob Starr, he always go by the Star Life, and that's what he calls it, and that's his brand. So I had to get this. This had this airbrush script on it. I just like how it looked. And he been wearing it a lot in his videos, and I'm just glad he had put it up for everybody to buy. This is like the first ever like merch I ever bought from somebody on YouTube. So again, this is like one of my favorite YouTubers. I watch all his stuff. Even though he talk about Supreme, but he just like the way he do his shit is just different, and that's why I watch it. Like the way he edit his videos, I take tips from him, and I watch how he like certain things in his videos. I'm trying to apply to mine, but making it my own way. His trips to the thrifts is just dope. He do like vintage stuff. He do resale on like thrifted items he caught, and he do raffles, a whole bunch of shit. Dude is a dope YouTuber. I'll drop a link down below to his YouTube channel. Y'all just go follow him, y'all. If y'all interested in Supreme, go follow him. He's a go-to guy in my opinion when it comes to Supreme. He got great content, entertaining as fuck, dope ass dude. Again, the Star Life, cop this, had to cop it, and I will be having this in my rotation. Like just going out places, I'll be wearing this. So let's get to the next one. So as you all can see, human made giveaway. Oh shit, Mac doing another giveaway. Yep, doing another giveaway. And you already know what to do. You already know what to do. Be sure to drop a comment down below with your Instagram name and follow me on Instagram. That is it. That is it. That's the only way you can enter in this contest. It's simple as hell. So let me show you all what I got for this giveaway that I'm doing this time. And I'm like, why not just go ahead? It didn't cost me like that much money to get or purchase. So I'm like, let me just cop these and get it to them and then show my appreciation to you all, because you all have just been killing it lately and just supporting the hell out of me. So I gotta give it back to you all for just coming and watch my videos. Like, I don't ask for much, but y'all just come watch it. Y'all find it entertaining as hell. So the item that I got are these carabiners. Yes, these carabiners right here. It says human made on them. I ain't spend but a couple of dollars. I'm like, let me buy 3 of them, and I'm doing 3 giveaways on these. All right, again, drop your name. 3 winners can win a carabiner. It comes in these packages, and I'll be sending it out in this package. So yeah, I'll give it back to you all. They had some other colors, but they were sold out. They had like a pink and a baby blue carabiner, and there was the only one left. It's like this matte silver / gray, whatever you want to call it. It says dry alls and human made on it. It's like etched in it, so it's gonna last. Again, drop your Instagram name down below and follow me on Instagram. And next video, I'll be selecting my winners. So stay tuned for next Sunday video to know if you won or not, to find out if you won or not. So that's it for that one. Let's get to the next one. All right, so this one right here, I wish I had more money because I really like this hoodie, but I'm gonna resell it. I wish I had some more money to buy another one of these, so I can have one for myself for the personal and have one for the resale. But it's all cool because I got something even better coming on the way. So anyway, the hoodie that I got is from Chinatown Market. Like, this is like one of my favorite brands. Like, really is one of my favorite brands. Just the way they do, like their marketing, the way they interact with people on Instagram. Ooh, sticker. Yeah, I got plenty of these. So, let me see, make sure there's another one in there. Anything else? All right, that's it. So, like, it's just something about Chinatown Market makes me want to buy from them. It's just the way that they, again, market themselves, have dope designs. It's just a fun brand, and they have some dope accessories as well. Even though Human Made is at the top of the top for me, I would say it'd be Human Made, then Chinatown Market when it comes to accessories. But anyway, the item that I caught from Chinatown Market is this hoodie. Damn, they folded this really good. So this hoodie that I got is, so this is the Grateful Dead hoodie that I had caught. Of course, as you know, from the SB Dunks that just came out with the Grateful Dead collab they had. Fire collab. So I had to get this hoodie. I want to keep it, but I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not gonna keep it because I've seen a resale value on this, and I'm gonna sell it, flip my money, as you know, and buy some more stuff to show you all. But it's just a dope ass hoodie. Let me see. And I got this in a size large. Yep, for Chinatown Market. And it's just a dope ass Grateful Dead hoodie. And it's, you know, back it say PMA, and that means positive mental attitude. What? Altitude. So yeah, so I decided to get this hoodie. Yes, I'm reselling it. I want to keep it so bad. I really do want to keep it. I just see what it's going for right now. And again, as I said earlier, I got something even better coming in next Sunday. So y'all be on the watch for that, because fire. So if y'all want it, please check out my GRAILED account. If y'all got a good offer, send me the offer. If it ain't hitting, then I'm like, keep it pushing, my knee. Keep it pushing. So that's it for that one. So the last unboxing I'm gonna do will be, you know, Human. You made me in. I hate when I do the unboxings. I have all this stuff I gotta clean up afterwards. That shit sucks, bro. I hate doing this. Alright, so the last item that I got is from Human Made. As you know, the best for last. The GOAT of the GOATs. So, if you know, I've been buying a lot of Duck t-shirts, of course, as you know. Some of y'all already know what I got, because y'all hit me like, bro, what you get? Did you get the drop? What'd you get for the drop? So my subscribers hit me up, like when a drop happens, they'll hit me up and ask me what I get. And I'll let them know ahead of time. But some of you all may not know. But anyway, of course, I got another Duck tee, and I've been seeing how much they've been going on in GRAILED, and I'm reselling this as well. Ooh, that's a bar. So this is what I got. Bam, another Duck tee. I know. Damn, Matt, you bought all these Duck tees. I know, but shit dope. But I'm reselling it. So you ain't got a trip. I'm reselling this. And again, okay, this one got a little bit like a medium, like, print on it. It's not as heavy as the previous Human Made tee that I had purchased. And I'm thinking, like, with these black tees, they do a heavier print. That's what I'm guessing. But of course, as you know, the Duck says dry all with Human Made in the middle. I think it's a dope t-shirt, but I won't be keeping it. And I got this in the 2XL. I'm gonna be throwing this right up on GRAILED and make me a quick sale. I'm gonna throw this up on GRAILED and make me a quick sale. But anyway, yep, that's what I got. Be sure to enter in for the giveaway. Don't say I ain't tell you, because I told you what to do. Drop a comment down below with your Instagram name and follow me on Instagram. That's it. Follow me on mattxi.exe. I have a link down below to my Instagram if y'all want to go, if y'all want to follow me, if y'all want to win. Yes, I'm doing international shipping, and yes, I'm doing domestic shipping. So you good? You don't have to worry about paying for shipping. I got you. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.